Hi, welcome to Chemistry Unit 3, 3.2, Naming. Today we're going to talk about polyatomics. A polyatomic is an ionic compound. And the way that you name a polyatomic and the way you can tell that you have a polyatomic compound is because there's going to be more than two capital letters. Simple as that. So the first thing you do is you write the name of the element or the polyatomic with the positive oxidation number. It's the thing that comes first in the formula. The second thing is to write the root of the name of the element with the negative oxidation number, the thing that comes second, and add IDE. Or if your second thing is a polyatomic, you write the name of the polyatomic. So let's look at several examples. This is CaSO4. Notice I have three capital letters. That's how I know it's going to be a polyatomic. I can figure out from my formula sheet, my periodic table, and my polyatomic sheet that Ca is calcium and SO4 is sulfate. And that's how you name it. Calcium, first name, sulfate, last name. BeNO3, 2 is beryllium because NO3 is a polyatomic. So this is beryllium nitrate. NH4OH, since there are four capital letters, you most likely have two polyatomics. So NH4 is ammonium and OH is hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. And then finally, H3OF is H3O is your polyatomic, so you name that polyatomic hydronium. And the last name is the root-ide system for fluorine to become fluoride in a compound. Now let's look at several examples for you to do. Your first one is BaOH2. BaOH2. Again, notice you have the parentheses, so that is a compound all its own. And we have our first part, which is going to be Ba. So first name, last name, everything only has two names. First name is, first name is barium, Ba is barium, OH is hydroxide, barium hydroxide. Your next one is BeCO3. Now, since there were no parentheses, you have to figure out, is BeC a compound or is CO3 a compound? In this case, CO3 is a compound. It's listed on your polyatomic sheet. So we have a first name and a last name situation. The first name, Be, is beryllium. The last name, CO3, is carbonate, beryllium carbonate. Your final example is Li2SO4. Again, you have to figure out if Li2S, is that your polyatomic or is SO4 your polyatomic? Well, if you've studied your periodic table sheet, you know that Li is an element and SO4 is a polyatomic. So the first name and last name situation, Li is lithium and SO4 is sulfate, lithium sulfate. Thanks for watching.